Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chanel Haley here. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in, and let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be doing something different on my channel. When it comes to hair, let me tell y'all something. I cannot do no hair, okay? But when I saw this on TikTok, I said, okay, now I can manage to do this. So I got 4 packs of these tape-ins from Amazon. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, so I'll be giving my own honest review. It is from Google Hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I don't have much time, so let's get into this video. I got 124, 120, and then I got 124, 120, and then I got 2 18s. So let's get started. So this is the first bundle, I guess you would say. I really hope 4 packs will be enough because y'all, my hair is super thick, but this looks like this color will blend with my hair really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing it. I should have wore a different shirt so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see my hair is brown, so I'm gonna start adding these and let's see how it goes. It is a little tricky and this is kind of a tedious process because you do have to use smaller sections. But this is one of them, and I honestly wish I just would have got all of them the same color because I feel like when I get done, it's gonna blend extremely well. So I'm gonna add in another bundle. Here's the 20-inch. I got them all different colors because my hair is brown and blonde, so it's gonna be longer than expected, but hopefully I can hurry up. Oh my God. I'm such a last minute person and I really hate that about myself. Now I'm like having to rush. Hoping none of these will come out. All right, so this is a 20-inch. This will blend well as well. I feel like this will look really good. I'm about to go ahead and install this bundle and I'll be back. My lighting is terrible. It took way longer than expected. I'm rushing, so I didn't really have time to curl it, but I think it came out really good. I used all 4 packs of hair. I really wish I may have had like 1 or 2 more, and I'm gonna have to cut this because I don't really know what I was thinking, but it looks crazy because I have a 24, a 20, and 2 18s. So, but I do really like these tape-ins. They feel really nice. They are human hair. And they blend really well with my hair. My hair is super thick. I am natural. On the chart, I really don't know because I don't really go by the little natural chart, but I just know I'm natural with super thick hair. This is what 4 bundles did. So it blended really nicely. These colors came like this. I did not dye it or anything. And yes, so I'm rushing to hurry up. I'm rushing to hurry up and get ready to go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. It's just time to do some layering, some chopping. I'll probably just chop that off and that's how it'll look. So yeah, see y'all on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all on the next video.
Insert.